Hey everyone, welcome back to the Creative Book Club. So this week we're going to be reading another Kristin Hanna book, The Women. So I start off each book by journaling about what I think it would be. Most of the time I actually just mimic the cover because I'm not quite sure where it's going to go. So this week's is no different. I'm just going to kind of do a copy of the cover here. But while you watch, I will read about the book. On the inside flap, it says, Women can be heroes. When 20-year-old nursing student Frances Frankie McGrath hears these words, it is a revelation. Raised in the sun drenched, idyllic world of Southern California and sheltered by her conservative parents, she has always prided herself on doing the right thing. But in 1965, the world is changing, and she suddenly dares to imagine a different future for herself. When her brother ships out to serve in Vietnam, she joins the Army Nurse Corps and follows his path. As green and inexperienced as the men sent to Vietnam to fight, Frankie is overwhelmed by the chaos and destruction of war. Each day is a gamble of life and death, hope and betrayal. Friendships run deep and can be shattered in an instant. In war, she meets and becomes one of the lucky, the brave, the broken, and the lost. But war is just the beginning for Frankie and her veteran friends. The real battle lies in coming home to a changed and divided America, to angry protesters, and to a country that wants to forget Vietnam. The Women is the story of one woman gone to war, but it shines a light on all women who put themselves in harm's way and whose sacrifice and commitment to their country has too often been forgotten. A novel about deep friendships and bold patriotism, The Women is a richly drawn story with a memorable heroine whose idealism and courage under fire will come to define an era. So it sounds like another really good one by Kristin Hanna. I look forward to reading this book. I hope you get a chance to read it too. And then if you come back next week, I'll put together a little craft that you could do with your book club or by yourself. But I hope you join me next week.